Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Amrita.
Good.
I'm fine.
Hi Ritisha, how are you? Hey Vishnuram, what are you doing in school? I got to talk to your mom after a long time and what are you doing in school?
Domain and range.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
Very easy?
Yeah.
Okay, are you using what we are dealing with here to your classroom?
Yeah. I think we started domain and range before we started in the class.
Illa, I didn't get you. What is that?
We started domain and range before we started it like in this class.
Okay, I see. Other than that, other concepts?
Uh I mean nothing that much.
No, my only question to you is the classroom school easier?
Yeah.
Okay, is there anything that you're not knowing?
No.
Okay. And how is your grades?
I have 100, so
Good.
fine.
Okay, nice. Okay, just because I got to talk to your mom a while back and I was wondering on a couple of things, so I just asked you. Good. Okay. Swarit, how are you, Swarit? How are you doing in school?
School, it's good.
By the way, in school, you're learning algebra one?
Yeah,
I see. Is it easy?
yeah. We're
Uh,
learning inequalities and expressions. Well,
e-
that's what we just learned. I don't know what they're gonna teach next week.
Okay, ma, but what makes you smile? Is it easier in school?
Yeah.
Oh, good to know. Okay, but do this homework, okay? Now doing 6 months later, you'll find that easy. You know.
On the I think it's domain and range. There was on Alchemist there they gave me a word problem.
Can you share with me? We'll all solve together.
I couldn't get to blue because I was stuck on it.
Why don't you share now with me? This is the right time, right? Share.
Okay.
Let's all solve. I'm going to give the same question to the others and ask. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah, others, anybody else who has questions? Hey, Ritisha, for you only I have planned on functions and quadratics next. How?
Oh, okay. Yeah, actually I wasn't able to do this week's homework since I was on this whole week I was on a camping trip.
No problem. I enjoy. Have fun. School is going to start, right? So come back and compensate everything.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Suppose we define L of n as.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ
Let's all do this together. You're all going to try with me. Suppose we define L of n as follows. N is an integer from 0 to 20 inclusive. Then L of n is the number of letters in the English spelling of the number n. Otherwise, L of n is undefined. For example, L of 11 is 6 because 11 has 6 letters. And L of 23, thanks. L of 23 is 23. Mhm. 23 is not an integer from 0 to 20. Okay. 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 What do you all think? I'll wait for your answers. What do you all think? So read the problem. Let me know if you need help. We define. N is an integer. How many numbers are in the domain? Domain means all possible values of n. You tell me. But not in the range. Oh my god, that's hard. Anish, how to do this problem?
Huh?
How to do this problem?
1 minute. I'm getting my notebook.
Mm-hmm. I want you to do, guys. Don't stop sharing. This will all go. Guys, you are going to try and tell me. Come on, guys. I'm waiting.
Is it is it L18-8?
Hmm?
Is it L18-8?
L18 is.
EIGHTE.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 18 is 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct, ma. You know what? I put an extra T. So what happens now?
Don't we have to figure out range?
Excuse
as
me?
well?
Yeah, you don't think range is what I've written down, right?
Teacher?
Oh, this is range?
Yeah, because that's the function. This is
Yes.
your input values, domain.
Oh.
So find out the numbers that are not in the range but present in the domain. Yes, Anish, what is your question, ma?
My mouse is gonna run out of battery. Can I go get the charger?
Go. Come quickly, Anish.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Uh-huh.
8, 9.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
I saw, ma. I saw. I don't know the exact answer. I'm checking.
Okay.
Oh,
What happens, guys?
is it 14?
I got 15.
15?
Yeah.
Isn't it 14?
14 or 15, ma?
No, because from 0 to 20, I got 21 numbers.
Yeah, 21 numbers, but then 0 is not present, 1, 2 is not present, and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, right?
Wouldn't there be 21 numbers in the domain because it's inclusive of 0? Inclusive of 0.
Correct, ma, but how many numbers are in the domain of L of n, but not in the range they are asking, right?
So, okay, never mind.
Yeah, so yeah, 0 is present, that's taken into account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is what I am getting. Can you put the answer? Swarit.
Yeah, sure. I need my one key doesn't. I need to stop sharing.
Oh, if you stop sharing, my explanations will all disappear.
I need to. My one key doesn't work.
Oh, okay. Then put 14 and tell us. Exam, did you understand how it went? How we solved?
Yeah, in the like solution thing it says the same thing.
Okay, good. Vishnuram, did you get it? Ashwin, did you get it? Ashwik, did you get it?
Yeah.
I don't. How do you get it?
Okay, I want you to reshare, Swarit. Ashwin, did you understand how we did?
Yeah.
Okay, Ashwik, you didn't get it? Ashwik, you didn't get it? Okay. Guys, what was the question asked was? Let me say. See here. The spell, see, literally, n value can be 0, 1 to 20. Okay. L of n is a function that gives a number of letters in that number. 0, that means 4. So this is your y value, this is your x value. This is your y value, this is your x value. X, y, you got it? Now they're asking all possible values of y are in here. You see, what are all possible y's are in here, right? They're asking what are the numbers that are in the x. What are the numbers in the x column that are not present in the y column? They're asking.
Yeah.
Did you all get it?
Mm-hmm.
So that was what was asked.
Oh.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I kind of did it a little bit differently. I just counted all the numbers from 0 to 21. And then since there are like 6 different possibilities of y, I just subtracted that from 21.
Perfect. That is perfectly fine. You all got it now? Okay, let's move on.
I got 15 for that though.
You got 15?
Yeah, because the possible values for me was 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Oh, okay.
That's a problem. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, Anish, did you understand how we solved it? Vishnuram, range was not asked. You put the range as 14. Range is much more. Range was only 7.
Oh,
Range,
sorry, I didn't
no,
type.
but did you understand?
Yeah. I understand like how it was solved.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, can I move on then?
Yes.
Okay. You know what? Okay, from last week, a long time since we had tests, right? I need to have tests for you guys, I feel. Wait, let me see. The thing is, okay. Okay, I know some of you did not have time to do the homework and stuff. All that stuff is fine because school just reopened. But at some point, I wanted to be able to. I want you to let me see, guys. Hey, Shyam, how are you finding between this class and your school?
This class is so in my school it's actually kind of easy.
Ah, I see.
In school it's really hard.
What are you doing in school?
In school I am not in geometry.
You're in geometry in school?
Yes.
Just geometry?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Do they? Hey, Shyam, are you in India?
Yes.
They do just geometry?
Yeah. Sometimes.
Oh, wow. Okay, interesting. Okay, I didn't know that they do just geometry. Okay. Okay, now combining functions, domain, range, that is their inverse functions. Oh my God, all this I don't want to cover now. Problem solving with functions. Okay. I want to do problem solving with functions though. Let's see. Okay, let's do. Okay, guys. So I'm going to continue the 16.1. Okay. So you all know what is a function now. So suppose, let's say if I give you this is my function. Okay. 2 comma 3, 4 comma minus 2, 5 comma minus 3, 6 comma 2. Now, what is f of 5, guys? What is f of 5? What is f of 5?
Wait, is this a discrete graph?
Is
That's
instead
the
of negative
Yeah,
3,
sorry, proud of you.
is the answer negative 3?
Answer is negative 3 because
Three.
f of 5 means input is 5. What was the output I asked? So that's correct. Now, you all know what is the domain and range of this function, right? Seriously, that is easy. Okay, I'm not going to be bothered now. Now, coming to, let's cover this. How about, you can combine functions. Combining function is, see, suppose let's say f of x is 3x plus 2. G of x is 2x minus 9. I give you two functions, two completely different functions. And I ask you to find out, hey, what is f of x plus g of x? How do you do it?
Would it just be 3x plus 2 plus 2x minus?
Exactly, it's very easy, guys. You got it? You're going to combine this 5x minus x. Make sense?
Yeah.
Similarly, addition, subtraction is very easy. Now,
Okay.
I told you things are easy. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of functions is so easy. Can you find out what is this and tell me what is the answer to this?
Sorry.
No problem. Go ahead and do this one. F of minus 2 times g of minus 2. What is the answer?
F of minus 2 plus g of minus.
Can I say it out loud or should I put in chat?
Yeah, you're in chat, Amma.
Oops. Wait, I accidentally put a negative sign.
No problem at all. No, that's correct, Ashwik. Ashwik, that's correct. Swarit, that's correct. Ashwik, that's correct. Ritisha, that's correct. You guys are awesome. Yes. Anish, I need your answer. Vishnu Ram, I need your answer.
Thinking.
Thinking? There's nothing to think. It's easy. F of minus 2, how will you get, Anish? You tell me.
F of minus 2.
So what will you do to find out f of minus 2? Hey, Ashwin, where is your answer? Are you still thinking?
I'm almost done solving.
Huh? Ashwin, do you have your answer?
I'm almost done solving.
Oh, okay, okay. Take your time.
Is F3?
What?
3, negative 6. Negative 6.
Okay, Anish, how are you finding f of minus 2?
F of minus 2. So like is F is 3, right?
No, there is no f, right? I told you that it is not multiplication, right? F of minus 2 means they are asking the y value when x is equal to minus 2. F is not multiplied. F is not a variable. It means that f of x.
Oh.
You got it? So I'm asking, that means here f of minus 2 means I'm asking for the function value when the input is minus 2. So I substitute x equal to minus 2 in my equation. That gets you minus 6 plus 2, which is a minus 4 on this. G of minus 2 means in the g of x function, I substitute x equal to minus 2. So that becomes minus, let's see. So minus 13. Now 13 times 4 is what? 52. So it's a plus 52. Make sense? Anish, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try this one. How about this? How about this? You're going to answer this question. Okay, Ratisha, did you understand, ma?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay, I'm giving you a function p of x equal to f of x times g of x. I want to understand, is p of x a function or not? You're going to find and tell me how. F of x is given by 3x plus 2. G of x is given by 2x minus 9. Come on, guys.
Yeah, I sent my answer.
Auntie, what do you mean by is px a function?
I am asking you whether p of x is a function. How will you find out whether something is a function or not? You
Um,
graph it and see, right? Meaning
um,
the same input cannot have different outputs. Remember?
the same input can have different outputs. Oh yeah.
Remember that, or did I not teach you? Did I not discuss that? Did we discuss whether it's a function or not and stuff?
Yeah.
I think so.
What test is used to verify whether it is a function?
VLT. Vertical lines.
Vertical line test. Did we discuss that in this class or not, Vishnuram?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
Shyam, did we discuss?
Yeah.
Oh, then that's good. Okay, then no, I really wanted to understand. Remember, you remember Swarit or no? No, if you say no, I'll go over it. That's why I'm asking.
oh no, I
You don't remember?
I don't remember.
Okay, no problem. I can help you recollect one more time. What I'm saying is when you draw a function mapping diagram between input and output, if the same input points to two different outputs, this is not a function at all. Got it? Whenever I give the same input to this function, I expect the same output to come. You got it? But whereas it is still a function when one, see, suppose I give 1, I give 2, all the inputs point to the same output. This is okay. This is really okay.
So inputs can have the same output, but
The
two
same input, literally, if I give
the
back the
same.
same input again, it has to generate what it generated. Then only your friend, okay? You today you go tell him, hey, please don't say the secret to anybody. Then if he keeps it as a secret, you rely on him, right? Otherwise, he's not a reliable friend. So it's
Yeah.
like that function as well. If I give one input to it, it has to produce, it is producing some output. But again, if I give the same function, the same input, I expect 3 to come. If it gives me 5, I cannot rely on it. You got it? So when you compare a graph, right? In a graph, right? If you have a graph like this, draw a vertical line anywhere on the graph. The vertical line should touch the graph at only one point. Then it is a function. Suppose if I have a graph like this, is it a function? No, right? All these inputs are having two different outputs. See? You got it? This is one, see, this and this are two y values for the same x. This and this are two y values for the same x. This and this are two y values for the same x. Do you see it?
Yeah.
So this is not a function at all. Vertical line test tells you whether it's a function. Now guys, is p of x a function or not? Quick guys.
I had sent my answer earlier. I don't know.
Right, Thomas. Ritisha, that's not an exponential function. Okay, I'll tell you that as well.
Oh wait, no. I think I'm.
Exponential
I
means
know.
x will be in the exponent. X
Yeah, I
to the
know.
power of 2 means it's a quadratic function. X power of 3 means it's a cubic function. X power of 4 means it's a quartic function. You got it?
Yeah, I accidentally wrote exponential when I meant quadratic.
No worries at all. Okay, can I move on? It is a function. But guys, when you multiply the two functions, what does it do? Anish, I'm not getting your answer. I'm not feeling comfortable, Anish.
Sent my answer a very long time ago. You can check the chat. I
Yes.
sent it at 7:54. It says that px is a function.
Oh, yes. Yes, sorry. Okay. Sorry about it. I got your answer. Now, how did you multiply? 3x is multiplied with 2x, giving 6x squared. 3x is multiplied with minus 9, giving you minus 27x. 2 is multiplied with 2x, giving you 4x. 2 is multiplied with a minus 9 to get minus 18. So 6x square, I can combine these two, minus 23x minus 18. So this one, right? The highest power of x is 2. So it is still a function, nice function. You got it? How do you say it is a function? You can plot some values and see. Meaning, whenever you want to plot an equation into a graph, right? What will you do? You'll put some negative values, some positive values. I'll put minus 10, minus 5, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 5, 10. All these values input, I will plug it into this equation, find out the y values. I'll plot this graph. The graph will be something like this. Excuse me. When you plot the graph, it will pass the vertical line test. So it is a function. Ashwin, did you get that?
Yeah, auntie.
Okay, nice. How about this? One second, guys. One second. So domain and range you can have any hard question on that. Okay. One thing I wanted to tell you is if f and g are functions, right? F plus g, f minus g, f times g, and f by g are all functions. You got it? Are all functions only. Okay. Now let's say this one. This is a little tricky one. How about this? F of x equal to square root of x. Guys, one thing what you need to remember is if they ask you the domain of this function, how do you write the domain of this function? What is the restriction? What is the domain means all possible x values. What are the possible x values in this function? Tell me. What are the possible x values in this function? Ashwik, tell me. What are the...
Would it be all real numbers except negative numbers?
Good. How do you write it?
0, f of x.
I'll tell you. What is the lowest number, highest number? What is the lowest?
0.
Good. What is the highest?
Infinity.
Yep. X value. Domain means x value, right? 0 should be less than or equal to x. And x should be less than infinity. If it is infinity or minus infinity, there should never be an equal to sign. You got it? It should be less only. Meaning we don't know what is infinity. We cannot touch infinity. Whereas 0 can very well be substituted instead of x. Square root of 0 is 0. So x can have the value of 0. So 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to infinity is the domain. Any questions? What is the range? Think about it. What is the range? When you put the lowest value of x, what happens to the range?
Range is all real numbers, right?
Wait. When I put 0 in here, what is the value for y?
0.
0. When I put infinity, what will be the value of square root of infinity? Infinity. Make sense? Now, range means I put lowest, highest and y in between. 0 is less than or equal to, both are the same. You got it, guys?
Okay. Yeah.
Swarit, are you following?
Mm-hmm.
Anish, did you follow?
Yes, I follow.
Okay, now let me ask you this. I had square root of x, right? Okay, let's do this one. So you understood how to find out the domain if they are square roots. Suppose what is the domain of this function? Who can tell me? What is the domain of that function? What is the domain of that function? Think about it. Whatever is inside the square root should be. What is the restriction?
Like
2
yeah,
is less than or equal to.
No,
great.
Whatever is inside the square root should be a positive number or 0, right?
X is greater than or equal to 2.
So how will you write it like in this notation? It starts with a 2 and it can go to infinity, any x value. So 2 is less than or equal to x is less
Hello.
than. Make sense?
Hello.
Did you get it, guys? Did you get any questions?
No.
Any questions? So to write out your domain, you have to understand what is the restriction on x. What can't be the value of x, you need to understand. F of x equal to a square root of x. G of x equal to square root of x square minus x minus 6. Now tell me what is the domain of f of x, domain of g of x. Guys, let me see how good you think. Domain of g of x. Just try that first. Now, guys, I know you can't do this. Let me give it to you in a different way. You can't do this actually without knowing quadratic. So let me give it to you in a different way. Okay. Let me write it down as x minus 3, x minus 2. If I give it to you like this, right? Now, what is the domain of this? What is the domain of this? Domain means what? Possible x values. So immediately you have to think, hey, what value can't be put into x? What value can't be put into x? That's a tricky question. G of x, tell me. Okay, this is a little tricky question, guys.
Miss Priya, is that my answer?
That's a very tricky question. I don't know. I'll wait. Let me see how you think. I don't want the answers.
I sent my answer.
Ashwik, that is not the answer. Is this for g of x you sent?
No, f of x.
F of x is incorrect, right?
Wait, is it the?
I don't know why you said minus 1 to infinity. Why minus 1 to infinity? For f of x means literally f of x can be anything greater than or equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
So domain of f of x is what? Minus infinity less than x is less than infinity. Sorry, 0 is less than or equal to x is less than infinity, right?
Yeah.
Make sense? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So coming to the g of x value, right? I didn't see anybody getting that answer correctly. The second one, I'll work with you, but I just want to understand. Vishnu Ram. Yeah, Vishnu Ram, I think yours is correct, right, Vishnu Ram?
Yeah.
Yes. Anish, it's not 2 to infinity. Why? 0 to infinity, right, Vishnu Ram? Right, Anish. What is that? Sorry, two answers you have given.
The first one is f of x and the
Yeah,
second.
yeah, good job. Good job on the second one. But there is something you're missing on the second one. Do you want me to explain? You have 50% of the answer correct.
Oh.
Yeah, the other 50% you've forgotten. See, in this case, if this is the function, right, this entire thing should be greater than or equal to 0, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Entire thing has to be greater than or equal to 0. So, see, when I multiply this, right, it amounts to this x square minus x plus 6. Yeah, minus 6 will be greater than or equal to 0, correct?
Don't you plus 6 on both sides?
But wait. You can't deal with this, okay? You have to see, you don't know how to make it into this, okay? That's why I gave you this directly. So it says the function is square root of x minus 3, x plus 2, correct? So in this case, when you
It
think
says
about,
x minus 2 on that one.
oh, minus 3 and minus 2 I gave you, huh?
Yeah, you gave us minus.
Yeah, it should have been plus 2, but see, okay, it should have been plus 2. I should have, see, because this, when you factorize it, it becomes plus 2.
Plus,
Even
yeah.
in first, let's see how to do this, okay? In this case, whatever is inside the square root, right, should be greater than or equal to 0. Should be greater than or equal to 0. Does that make sense? Now, x minus 3 should be greater than or equal to 0. That means x is greater than or equal to what?
3.
X is greater than or equal to 3. X plus 2 is greater than or equal to, wait. X minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. So, x plus 2 is what?
X is greater than or equal to minus 2.
That doesn't seem right. X minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. That is correct.
What about -2? Won't that work?
Negative 2 will still work, right, ma?
It'll become 0 though.
Yeah. Negative 2 will become 0. What will happen to negative 3? Yeah, negative 3 doesn't work, you see? Does it make sense?
Oh yeah, wait.
Yeah,
Even by
so
negative 3
yeah,
doesn't
negative 3 doesn't work, right?
It would be
Negative 4 doesn't, negative 3 will work, right?
negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6, and then negative 3 plus 2 is
Negative
1.
1.
2 doesn't work. See, 2 does not work.
Yeah,
2
2
does,
doesn't work.
2 does not work. 1 does not work. 0 does not work. You see, because it will become negative.
So,
Wait, but if you put 2 for the second one, you'll
I
get
think
0.
If you put 2 for the,
Like it's x minus 3 and x minus 2, right? So if you put 2 for the second one of them will be 0 and the other will be -1, which will equal to 0.
no, 1 minute, Maratisha. No, somewhere something is wrong. X minus 3, x plus 2. Put 2, it won't work. Because 1 will
Oh
be.
no, x plus 2. I
yeah,
thought it was -2 because that's what you had asked for earlier.
yeah,
Yeah, sorry about it. Yeah. So here, let's consider it as a plus 2. Now, the thing is, what values won't work? Meaning, x minus 3 should be great. Let's find out. Let's not conclude like this, okay? Let's not conclude like this. Let's go step by step. Now, tell me what value, meaning, we already said, hey, x minus 3 will be greater than or equal to 0. Based on this, we said x minus 3 will be greater than or equal to 0. That's correct. X is greater than or equal to 3. Good. So on a number line, if we want to say, what did we say? X is greater than or equal to 3. This part, any part, and this is a shaded dot. But we don't know the left side. Swarit, this is what you gave me, right, Swarit? You gave me this answer.
yeah.
But then we did not talk about this at all. What happened to there?
No, because I thought it was x minus 2. Then, like, if it was x minus,
Yeah. Good job. Sorry, good argument. Agree.
but if it was x plus 2, then it would probably be,
Tell me what now. Think about this. Whatever is inside the square root. Think about it and tell me what it can't be. What values we cannot have for x. See, for this one, when x is becoming less than 3, then it gets a negative value. So the entire thing will mess up. So it has to be greater than or equal to 3. But
yeah.
one, when will it render the entire thing to be negative? Think about it. Think about it and tell. When will, because of the C, x has to be greater than 3, then only this term will be positive. Okay,
Mhm.
one of the term becomes negative, it's a problem.
Yeah.
When will this term, we already got one restriction. For this one, when will it be negative?
If it's less than -3. Or
Less,
not less or
mhm,
less than -2.
less than -2. What happens?
If it's less than -2.
-2 will work. Less than negative,
Yeah, less than or
less than negative,
yeah.
less than -2. So, okay. So, suppose if it is, okay, you're saying this won't work, huh? Or this will work. What are you saying?
That won't work because if it's equal to negative, wait,
Think well and tell me.
no, that negative. Wait, no, that will work.
It won't work.
It won't. Because wouldn't -2 + 2 be 0, and then -2 - 3 is 5, or -5, and then
Yeah, that becomes 0, right? So
yeah, so it will work.
-2 will work.
Less
Yeah.
than or equal to
Then
negative.
how about less than -2? Maybe -3, check. What happens to -3?
-3 - 3,
Uh-huh.
-6 times -1, that works.
That works. So less than or equal to works. Think about -3. What happens? If it is -3, what happens? Both will be negative, it will work. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
Both will be negative and it is valid, right?
Mm-hmm.
If it is -3, it is going to work. But let's say it's on the other end. -1, will it work? -1 won't work.
-1 won't work.
Won't work. So comparing to this, when you look at this, x has to be less than or equal to -2. Then only the entire thing will turn positive.
So then would the equation be
There are two options now. Less than or equal to -2. Less than or equal to -2. That means this side of the graph, any point here. So the solution set is x is greater than or equal to 3, x is less than or equal to -2. Any questions, guys? Any questions? You can put it into a single statement. How can you put it into a single statement? Lowest
3 is
value,
less than or equal.
lowest value,
Well, oh yeah.
then what?
Then last value.
This
Wait.
is incorrect, yes.
Isn't it?
-2 is your lowest value.
It'll be two different inequalities.
Yeah.
We can't put it to.
And then x is greater than or equal to 3.
Yep. This is a compound inequality. Make sense? Does it make sense, guys? Ritisha, did it make sense?
Yeah, it made sense, but like it just doesn't doesn't work. Like mathematically it's incorrect.
Mathematically it's correct, ma. See, see.
No, I meant like the inequality you wrote because there's nothing between -2 and 3.
Yeah, there's nothing because I'll tell you why. Okay, let's go. Let's understand this, guys. Okay, that is the difference between you guys, meaning this group and the algebra group. See, here, let's see. I have this. X squared minus x minus 6. Okay. Now, let me start graphing it. This is thinking from a different perception. The same graph. How am I going to graph it? You are going to help me though. If you want me to show it, to spend time on this, then you have to help me too. Let's say I'm going to have -4 or -5, -4, -3. Please, let's spend some time and understand this. 0, 2, 4. All this you're going to substitute and tell me quickly the answers. If I substitute -5, what happens to the value of y? What happens to this function? If I substitute -5.
24.
Yeah, 24.
Okay. If I substitute -4.
14.
Okay.
Wait, no. Wait, it won't be 30 minus 6. It will be 20 minus 6. So it's 14.
Minus 3, 9.
6.
6. Minus 2, 4.
0. I think that's 0.
1. Minus 1,
Minus 1 plus 1.
Negative 4.
4.
0.
Negative 6.
2. 2.
Negative 4, I'm pretty sure. Wait,
No.
no, not negative 4. Sorry.
4.
2 squared. 4.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. See, guys, please understand. When I want to graph it in a coordinate plane, what happens? Think about it. I'm going to do it slowly. Okay. Please understand the base concept behind this. Minus 5 is at 24. Minus 5 is I'm going to erase all this off. Okay. Please, if you didn't understand, ask me now. Minus 5 is a 24 somewhere here. Done. Minus 4 is a 14 somewhere here. Minus 3 is a 6 somewhere here. 6 means somewhere here. Minus 2 is a 0 here. Minus 1 is a minus 4. Please understand what's going on here. 0 is a minus 6. 2 is a minus 4.
Oh, is it like a V?
Oh,
Like a U?
correct. That's, wait. 4 is a 14 coming here. It's the same as this level, okay? Now, I'm going to draw the graph for you. Oh my God. I'm going to draw the graph for you by connecting the points together, okay? It's more of a U, okay? Now,
UV.
okay, whatever it is, okay? Now, I've drawn the graph, okay? But you think, see, when you think about it, this is not the graph. The square root of this is the graph, correct?
Mhm.
Does it make sense? Square root of this is our graph, correct?
Yeah.
So what values are invalid here? What values are invalid? What y values are invalid? Square root of a negative number can never be there, correct?
Yeah.
So what values are invalid? Minus 1,
Negative 1,
0,
0, 2.
4.
No, 2. 4 is
4 works. 4
4
works because 4 gives you 14.
Correct. Minus 1, 0, 2 is invalid, correct? Okay. So that is the case. Then I'm going to remove these. Right? Basically, since there is a square root, only positive values are valid, correct?
Mhm.
So any x value on this side or any x value on this side is valid. You'll agree with me?
Yeah.
What is not valid?
Anything below that.
Anything below this, you cannot have negative values because my y is square root of that. You got it? That is why here when we solved, you remember x minus 3, x plus 2 I gave you. So you said x is greater than or equal to 3 or x is less than or equal to minus 2. That's exactly this. Do you see?
Oh.
You see the connection?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, the thing is, I cannot delve deep like this in a school-based algebra class because I am bound to finish. Whereas in this class, it's more open. I have to only show you what is the fundamental concept behind functions. So you see how it works. Do you understand why?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how do you write out the domain? When you plot it in a graph, when will the square root function be valid? Only when the x values are on this side or on this side. What do you mean by that? The right side of this x-intercept, the left side of this x-intercept. Below that, the function value is a negative value and you cannot put them into the square root. So it is invalid. That is why you got the answer as this for the domain. Make sense?
Is this like a parabola?
It is a parabola. Okay, x, see, when the x power is a 2, right? Highest power of x is a 2, then it becomes a parabola graph. But do you understand how we write out domain now?
Yeah.
Then what is the range of this graph? What is the range of this graph? This is not there. I've already cut down. What is the range of this graph? What's the range of this graph, guys?
Everything above 0.
Yeah, lowest y value, highest y value.
Oh, yeah.
That's it. You got it?
Sorry, the internet was like out.
No problem, Manish. Let's move on. Did you get it, guys? Did you get it or not?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. How about this? Let's consider f of x equal to root x. G of x equal to square root of x square minus x minus 6. This one can be written as square root of x minus 3 x plus 2. How did we get this? I'll let you know shortly. We have to cover quadratics, which I have not done. So I'm directly giving you this. Now calculate f of x by g of x. That's very easy, I know. To also compute what is the domain of that. I am really bothered about, you know how to write this easily. This is square root of x by square root of x square minus x minus 6. You already know. But what is the domain? What is the domain of that function? What are the restrictions you'll get? Tell me. Think about it deeply and tell me.
Can we replace x squared minus x minus 6 with x minus 3 times x plus 2?
Yeah, you can replace.
Okay.
Tell me what can be the domain of this function. You have to think, okay, for each numerator denominator separately, what can be the values of x? Write it down and see. You can, as you said, right, you can replace it for simplicity's sake, you can replace it as x minus 3 x plus 2. So think about what restrictions can this x have? What restrictions can these x have? Can I combine them and say a common answer that is the domain? I
Miss
please,
Priya,
It
is that my
can't,
answer?
it can't be less.
please. You do. If you get it wrong, we'll discuss nicely.
Is that my answer?
Vishnuram, can you check again? I think you got it, but you're making a mistake.
I didn't send the answer yet.
Uh, Ritisha. Ritisha, I said right, top is a function. Write down the domain of the top function. Bottom is another function. Write down the domain of the bottom function. In both, what is the intersection? Meaning both of the functions. What is the
Okay.
intersection? What is the intersection of x values? That is the domain.
Okay. All right.
You see, so you are adding too much. There is something that you need to exclude. I'm going to wait and watch how many of you are going to get something. Need not be right, but that's something I want to see. What is that something?
I sent a different answer. If that's one works.
I was looking at the book. That is correct, Ritesha.
Okay. Thank you.
Sham, again you. Sham.
Yes.
If I have a negative 2, would it work in the numerator?
No.
You have written the domain of the denominator function. But when you think about it, also make sure that domain works for the numerator function as well. So whatever is common to both, only you can say that that's a possible x value. You see what I mean, Sham? So what is incorrect about it? You have included too many x values. There are
Minus
some more that needs to be excluded.
oh,
Can you exclude and write them? But that took a lot of time. Yes. See, that's what if we go out and study, understand, it takes time. It's okay. Okay, I'll show for the others. Anish, Vishnu Ram, is it challenging, you think, or you got it?
I think I got it.
You
I
got
think
it.
I understand it.
Okay, now how are we going to do? This one says x should be greater than or equal to 0 because no negative numbers can come in there. Here we already saw x has to be greater than or equal to 3 or x has to be less than or equal to -2. Correct?
Yeah.
That being the case, think about it. What x values are common to all of these conditions?
X greater
X is greater than 3.
greater than or equal to
X is
3.
greater than 3. Greater than or equal to 3.
That is the domain of this function. Got it?
Yeah.
You got it now? How to find out the domain of functions? Finding domain of functions is a skill.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, get it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Can I move on?
I'm about to end.
Yeah, we can move on.
Yeah, that's a difficult one. Okay, now guys, there's something called function composition. I would really like to cover that. It's not a hard one, but I don't know whether you'll cope. It's not a hard one, okay? Just to cover, I mean, this is not a part of algebra 1. This is a part of algebra 2 in your school, okay? But I think it's good to know. It's good to know, okay? If you're all going to write PSAT and SAT, it's okay to definitely know, okay? F of x is a function, okay? 2x minus 3. Just please listen, hang in tight. You will clearly understand and we can discuss quickly. G of x equal to 4x, okay? When I write composition of functions, that's what we are trying to cover. Composition of functions. Here, it's represented by a big circle, okay, with a hole. Now, how do I write composition of functions? This is how I write. F of G, this is how I read as well. This is read as f of g of x. That is how I read f of g of x. This means what, you know? I am going to feed in one function as the input to the other. Meaning, composition of function means I am going to feed one function as the input to the other function. Any questions?
Like you're gonna give one function another function?
One function is the input. Instead of the x as the input, right? I'm going to feed in the other function. How do I decide which function? How do I decide which function? If you're asked to find this, right? My first thing is my original function. So I will write this down. I will write this down. And then I'm going to feed gx as my input. Wherever I see x, right? I will substitute it with 4x. Meaning I'm giving that as my input. So what happens? F of 4x will be equal to 2 times 4x minus 3. So f of g of x, the composed function, is equal to 8x minus 3. Any questions, guys?
Wait, but then it says, don't you have to, what about the denominator?
No, there's no denominator. I just said this is the same.
Oh,
This is read as f of g of x. Now, what is g of f of x?
G of f of x.
What is g of f of x?
Wouldn't it be,
What is my original function? You write g of x.
4x, and
That's
then
my original function. In that, I'm going to feed in f of x as my input.
x equals 2x minus 3.
Yeah, instead of x, I'll put 2x minus 3.
So 4 times 2x minus 3
8x.
minus 3, or 8x minus 2.
Did you all get it?
Yes.
Okay.
One more minute.
Okay. So this is composition of functions, meaning, how about this? One more question I'll give you and then let you go. How about this? F of x equal to 2x minus 6. Okay. G of x equal to 3x minus 9. Okay. Now tell me what is f of g of 2. What does it mean, guys? See, f of g of 2 can be written as like this as well. That means what? They're asking you to solve the f of x function. How? Find out g of 2 and give that as the input to the f of x function. Make sense? Find out what is g of 2 first. Then
Wouldn't that be
that
negative
as the
3?
input to the f of x function. What?
Wouldn't that be negative 3 and then
Correct. So you
negative-
feed that negative 3 to the f of x function.
so
Which will
then
give you
that would
negative
be
12.
negative 12.
That is right. That's it. That's the answer. Ashwik, did you get it?
Yeah.
I got it.
Ashwik, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Shyam, did you get it? Shyam.
Yes.
Oh, so what I do was g of 2 I'll find. G of 2 is minus 3. Now, f of g of 2 means what? G of 2 I'm feeding as input here. Instead of this, I substitute minus 3. So that will be minus 6, minus 6, minus 12. Make sense, guys? Does it make sense? Okay. I'm going to stop here. And your homework will be 16.2 and 16.3. 16.2 and 16.3. And on Alchemist, it will be the same thing. Make sense, guys?
Yes. Bye.
Stop here, guys. See you all next week. Have a good week ahead at school.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Auntie, thanks.
Bye.